Okay, welcome to past question papers. This is January, February 2017, question 7.2. Suppose we have a triangle ABC. Okay, so the triangle is ABC, where angle ABC is 75 degrees. Okay. Angle BAC is 60 degrees and the length of AC is 10 centimeters. A. Briefly sketch the triangle displaying all the given information. So the triangle is ABC. Let's draw that. Okay. Oh, okay, that's better. They say angle ABC is 75. So angle ABC, meaning this angle, right? If we're going to say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is the angle they're talking about. It is 75 degrees. Okay. Let's label it A, B, C. Okay. Now, let's continue the question. Angle BAC is 60 degrees. So angle B, no. Angle BAC, meaning this angle, okay? So BAC, it's this angle right here. It's 60 degrees. Okay. And the length of AC is 10 centimeters. Okay. The length of AC is 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is 10 centimeter. This side is 10 centimeter. Okay. All right. Briefly. Okay, so we've done this. So we've got our 2 marks. Now let's continue. B. Use the law of sines and your answer to 7.1 to determine the length of AB. Leave the answer in said form if necessary. Okay. Let's see now. Use the law of sines and your answer to 7.1 to determine the length of AB. Length of AB. Okay. So let's see this now. Okay. All right. So our answer to 7.1, our answer was what? It was root 6 plus root 2 all over 4. Yes, this was the answer to 7.1. Okay, so this is 7.2 now. A. Now B, they want us to determine this side, the small c, this side. So let's name this side C. Now, what is the sine rule? Sine rule says sine of angle A over side A is equal to sine of angle B over the side B, and it's also equal to the sine of angle C over the side C. Okay, so this means that at any given time, this can equal this, okay, or this can equal this. So they are all equal. Okay. Now, we know from 7.1 that the sine of 75 degrees gave us this answer. So this is the sine of 75 degrees. So now I'm going to use the information that I have. Sine of which one? Oh, so I'm going to use the sides that have information, like we've got this side, okay? The sine of this side, we know it, and we also have that side. So we can say sine of what? Equal to, I need just two sides. So the one side that I want to solve for is this one, okay? And obviously this angle right here can be found by taking these two, by taking 180 and subtracting these two, okay? Then you find that this angle is 45 degrees. See, now I have enough information. So I've got the angle and the side of which we want to solve for. So now I can say this is equal to sine of angle C over C. Now we say sine sine of 75 degrees. We know sine of 75 degrees is this one. So let's write that root 6 plus root 2 all over what? All over 4 equals sine of what? You know what? Let's do this step by step, because some people are going to get lost here. Sine of B. What is B? 75 degrees. Over what? Over side B, which is 10 centimeter. Sine C What is the angle C? It's 45. 45 degrees over C. So we don't know the value of C. And do you remember the special triangles? We have 30, 60, 90. Remember? Opposite the 30 is a 1. Opposite the 60 is a √3. And opposite the 90 is a 2. Okay, the other one is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. It helps to know these triangles. Opposite the 45s is a 1. Opposite the 90 is a √2. These, they will help us. So we know that sine of 75 degrees is this. So let's substitute that. Let's substitute sine 75 degrees by that. So √6 plus √2 all over 4 equal to sine of 45 degrees. What is sine of 45? Here's the 45. And sine, according to SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 45, that's opposite over hypotenuse, which will give us 1 over √2. And after rationalizing the denominator, we're going to have √2 over 2. So this is √2 over 2. Okay. All over what? C. Okay. So let's see now. Okay. Let's sort out this mess. So C is the same as saying C over 1. Okay? Now if we take this big division line and turn it into a multiplication, then the 1 will come on top and the C will come to the bottom and we multiply. Let's see. This will be √2 over 2C. Ne? So we're going to have √2 over 2C. root 6 plus root 2 all over 4. Okay. Oh, okay. So wait, I made a mistake. You see this 10? I did not put it. I did not consider it. So this 10 must come here as well. Because the 10 is the value of this small b. And this this whole thing is the value of sine b. So we still have to say all over 10. And 10 is like saying 10 over 1, right? Now, if we change this into a multiplication, then we're going to have 1 over 10, I guess. And we're going to have 1 over 10. What's this now? Okay, so over 40 now. All right. So here we're going to have root 6 plus root 2 all over 40. Okay, and now what do we want to solve for? Okay, so we can now divide or cross multiply. Cross multiply, we have 2c, we multiply it into root 6 plus root 2, and this is equal to 40 root 2. Okay, now we want to solve for c. So this means that we have to divide by what? Okay, we have to divide by 2, that is multiplying into root 6 plus root 2, because this 2 is multiplying into the c, is multiplying into root 6, and it's also multiplying here. So this means that if we divide, we must divide even here. Okay, so dividing, you will find that you have root 6 plus 2. Okay, so this will cancel. Then we have C is equal to okay, so that is the value of C plus, but you know what? I think, yeah, we can leave it in this form. You see, if we leave it in this form, it's fine. So, because, yeah, if it's like this, then you can take out the common factor. Root 6 plus root 2. Okay, so this is the answer to question B, 7.2b. All right, we are done. Okay, see you on the next video.